When it comes to RVs and campers, the European market has been leading the charge in luxurious, modular designs, and the latest offering from Challenger Motorhomes proves that innovation is key. For those looking for the perfect balance of comfort, practicality, and style, the Challenger X camper lineup delivers all that and more. Let's dive into this incredible RV that could change how you think about road trips and family adventures. Challenger Motorhomes, a well-respected French company that has been in the RV business since 1985, is known for delivering some of the most flexible and high-end campers on the market. Their latest creation, the X range, stands out with its oversized camper vans that border on being Class C motorhomes, offering families a home on wheels with exceptional amenities. The X150 and X250 models are built to accommodate families of up to 4 people, making them perfect for extended travels or weekend getaways. But what truly sets the X models apart is their ingeniously adaptable interiors, designed for comfort, convenience, and practicality. Let's focus on the X250 model, which showcases the best of what the Challenger X lineup has to offer. The interior of the X250 is carefully crafted to maximize space, and it starts right from the front of the vehicle. 2 swivel seats sit opposite a dinette, offering a place for family members to gather, eat, or relax during the day. But here's where it gets clever: come nighttime, this dinette transforms into a comfortable bedding area for 2 guests. But wait, there's more. True to recent European RV trends, Challenger has incorporated a drop-down bed feature. So, for families of 4, the X250 turns into a spacious 4-person bedroom at night, offering a practical solution for everyone's sleeping needs. This transformation ensures that the rest of the interior is used for nothing but the creature comforts essential for traveling. Whether you're preparing meals or unwinding after a long day on the road, the X250 offers everything you could want in a home away from home. The kitchen is a modern galley with all the essential features: a cooktop, stove, sink, flush countertop, and a large fridge. What's particularly smart is that the fridge is placed across from the kitchen, keeping your cooking and storage areas separated to reduce any clutter or interruptions while you're preparing meals. In the X250, the wet bath is compact but functional, with swiveling components that optimize space. The X150, on the other hand, features a larger wet bath, thanks to its rear placement. The X250 also boasts a spacious wardrobe that gives ample storage for all your gear, and for those who need even more room, the X250 comes equipped with an innovative, smart dressing room. This feature includes automatic drop-down functionality, creating more space and adding a touch of luxury to your RV experience. Speaking of storage, the X250's garage space deserves a mention of its own. When the dressing room is lifted into the interior, a large cargo space underneath is revealed. This garage area is perfect for stowing items such as e-bikes, portable battery generators, camping gear, or even a dining set for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're embarking on a weekend camping trip or a long journey, this garage provides ample storage for all your essentials, ensuring you're ready for any outdoor activity. The interior of the X250 is built with high-quality materials, featuring soft-touch fabrics, LED lighting, and modern color tones that complement the overall design. Additionally, the unit is equipped with an AGM battery, and it's pre-wired for solar, making it off-grid ready for those who want to venture into more remote areas. However, if you're looking to take your X250 boondocking, you'll need to invest in some optional gear to make it fully self-sufficient. Now, for the price, the X250 starts around €85,000, approximately $87,500. While it may seem steep, it's important to note the level of luxury and versatility you're getting with this RV. In comparison, RV prices in North America are often higher for similar-sized units with fewer amenities, which makes the Challenger X range a standout in terms of value. All in all, the Challenger X lineup represents the future of RV travel. With its luxurious design, modular interior, and innovative storage solutions, this is the kind of RV that makes long road trips feel like a breeze. The fact that European brands like Challenger are taking the RV world by storm suggests that North American manufacturers will soon have to catch up with the level of sophistication offered in these compact, yet incredibly functional vehicles.